beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Your girl is back. Your favorite girl on YouTube is back. Yes, you know I'm your favorite girl. I know you know, and I know so. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you guys for everything, for the love, the comments, the support. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. I cannot thank you guys enough. I'll keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But seriously guys, I appreciate your time, your support. Thank you so much. Well, yes, today is so exciting. Ooh, I've got a giveaway. Yes guys, let me show you guys. If you're new to my channel and you don't know how to enter for my giveaway, the link is always under my videos. Okay, link to the giveaway is always under my video. A lot of people go there and they kind of message me, like, because I have an online chat, a live chat, people message me and be like, I want to win the giveaway, please let me win the giveaway. They don't actually enter for the giveaway. So many emails. Guys, you have to enter for the giveaways on the app. You see the app, when you enter, it's going to say 1 entry. So if it says 0 entry, that means you haven't entered. So enter for the giveaway on the app. Do not email me like, I want to win the giveaway, please let me win the giveaway. Enter on the app. Okay, yes, let me show you guys what I've got for you today. First of all, I always start with the hair. Ta-da! You all know I love Lakihair. Ooh. Let's open Lakihair. Okay, so I've got 3 bundles and the frontal. Yes guys, I've got 3 bundles and a frontal for the giveaway. I've got 22, 20, 18, and I've got 18 inches frontal. Ooh. I'm so excited guys. I'm not even the winner, but I'm just excited for the winner. Yes guys, so let's open the hair so we can feel the hair. It's a straight hair, by the way. It's really nice. You guys have seen me use Lakihair. Oh god, hasn't got those awful hair that some hair has. I love it. This one is a 20 inch. Okay, so let's see the frontal. Let's see how the frontal looks like. Let's open the frontal. So the frontal is big. Ooh, my girl. Look at those edges. Edges on fleek. Edges on fleek. There's edges. Ooh. Oh gosh. Let's see who is gonna win this hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the winner. Yes guys, let's put the hair away. So I've got 22, 20, 18 and 18 inches frontal, 3 bundles of straight hair and a frontal from Lakihair. Okay, let's put this back in the pack. Lakihair. Because we do hair and makeup transformation on this channel, hair and makeup transformation, so I cannot give you hair and not give you makeup. Okay, I'm giving you makeup. Okay, yes, let's see. Oh gosh, mark. You guys know I love mark, so I don't like to give people what I will not wear, or I don't like to give people something that I will not use. So yes, let's see what's inside. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it's not full. You know how mark comes? They come in this big carton, and when you open it, there's nothing inside. Like literally, this is what is inside. It's nothing. It's not a lot, but guys, it costs a lot. That's how mark is like. Little things cost a lot. I've got some goodies. You will love them. So I've got the makeup sponge, beauty blender for you to blend and blend. Okay, always blend your foundation. So this is one. Nowadays, I know you all have seen me use this pen on the brow, like this pen. It makes your brows look very full, and just go with that small stroke. If you follow my videos, you will have seen me use this pen, and it's called shape plus shade brows tint. So it's a brow tint, okay, from MAC. So I've got this one for you guys. Yes, because I love you and I want you to be popping. This one, second one. Okay, let's see what else is there. Oh guys, let me show you this. You will love this. So I actually bought 4 shadows from MAC. Okay, let's drop this down. So I actually bought, let's drop this down. I actually bought 4 shadows from MAC, guys. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow from MAC. Okay, look at those. Ta-da! So I did not just buy you the shadows, I also bought you guys the palettes, okay, the empty palette, because you know MAC, they sell them separate. So when you buy this, you buy this. The reason why I like to kind of buy the singles instead of palette, I like when I buy singles, because when you buy things in palette and they're finished, because sometimes you cannot end up using one shadow, you know, and when they finish, that means the whole palette is like useless. This is why I don't like to buy palette, like all those Urban Decay, blah blah blah. When you finish using, maybe you have one favorite one there, and when you finish using the favorite one, the palette is just useless. But about this, you can just take that one out and replace them. Okay, so this is empty palette, like so. So what you do when you receive this shadow, you just take them out like so. Okay, and just take them out like so. You guys know this orange. Gosh, you know I love orange. Orange is one of those shadow that I use a lot on the crease. So this one is red brick. So say for instance you want to put red brick, so you just put them like so. Okay, so I've got 4 colors for you guys. I'm gonna put them back. I'm gonna put it back, guys. I'm gonna put them back. So I've got this red brick. Okay, so this is all you need to do when you receive this. You just put them in this empty palette, okay, empty palettes, and you just put them in this empty palette. So let me show you the colors I've got. I've got red brick and I've got amber light, guys. This amber light is like a gold shadow. It's very subtle. Okay, I use amber light a lot in my videos. Okay, amber light is that subtle gold. And I've got this one. This is embark. Embark is that brown, dark brown that you use to kind of intensify the outer V. Okay, if you, when I want to deepen the outer V and I don't want to use black, I use embark. So embark, and which is this one, all that glitters, guys. All that glitters is that subtle color. It looks like silver, looks like light pink. Just that beautiful shadow, guys. So 4 shadows for you. You're gonna love this. So I've got all that glitters, embark, amber light, and red brick. Okay, so when you receive them, you just depot them and put them in this one. Let's put that away. So what have I got again? I've got 4, I've got 3 lipsticks for you. I love those 3 lipsticks a lot. This one is Velvet Steady, Spirit, and this one is Cream the Nude. So let me show you guys how it looks like. So this one is Cream the Nude. This is, let's see, so we've got Velvet Steady, looks like so. So they are all nude lipstick. Let me open them so you guys can see. So I've got this, and this. So they are all nude. So Velvet Teddy, Cream, so Velvet Teddy, Cream the Nude, and Spirit. Look at those, guys. This is one of my favorites. Okay, for that nude, for that natural look. See your pack. And okay, so this, what else have I got? I've got mascara for you. I love MAC mascara, okay, because it's very thick, very thick. It looks like you're actually wearing lashes, but you're not. Lip gloss. I love MAC lip gloss because it's clear. You can use them on anything. MAC lip gloss. Lovely. Very thick. Very thick. A little just goes a long way. Last but not the least, we've got this Fix Plus. So this is a new Fix Plus. This is Gold Light, the new Fix Plus. So this one gives you that dewy finish. Glow like a diamond. Glow, 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 glow. Put that in. Woo. So yes, let's count. I've got 1 lip gloss, shadows, 4 shadows. Remember, remember our 4 shadows, and the shadow palette. The shadow palette. Then those 3 lipsticks. You know those lipsticks. Woo. Mascara, guys, for your brows, you know, your brows. Beauty blender, blend and blend and blend your face, and you gotta be popping. Boom. So now that we've got the hair, we've got the makeup, let's draw. Okay, let's do the draw. Let's go. I'm gonna record the screen just so I can pause them, because I love this thing to be very real as you can get. Okay, so I love to record the screen. So where is the screen recorder again? So this is Beautician Chick monthly giveaway. 7,000 impressions, ended 6 days ago. Okay. So let's click that, and it says 1 prize. That's 1 prize, guys. 1 prize to win. So let's draw. Okay, let's draw. Draw winner, guys. This is a moment of truth. Let's draw. Draw winner. Oh my God. Winner to draw. 1 winner. So only 1 person. We win. Okay, let's draw. Ah, God, draw. Who is gonna be the winner? Okay, Elian Chaco. Is it Chaco? Yeah, Elian Chaco. Elian Chaco, you are the winner. And where is she from? From France. Okay, France. So, Elian, bonjour. So, Elian, you're the winner. Bonjour, ça va bien? Merci for entering. Okay, so please don't forget to comment down below. When people congratulate you, don't forget to just say thank you to them. You know, don't just email me like, I want my giveaway, this is my poster address. At least say something to people who are saying congratulations to you. Okay, then message me and contact me. And if you want me to make a wig for you before I post the hair, I'll be so happy to make the wig for you before I post the hair. But you still need to go to a salon to cut the lace off, because I would not cut the lace off for you. You still have to go to the salon, okay? But yeah, if you want me to make the wig for you, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna post the hair to you guys. Do not forget, Lakihair details is gonna be in the description box, okay? Guys, do not forget, Lakihair details is gonna be in the description box. They always have anniversary sales every now and then, competition. So I'm gonna leave all the link to Lakihair. And if you did not win and you want to buy this hair, I'll also put the link to this hair in the description box. Okay, guys, the new giveaway is open. The link is down below, so enter, guys. Keep entering. Good luck to everyone. Congratulations, Elian. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. Remember, we cannot all win. It's always going to be 1 winner, but you never know. Keep entering. Tomorrow might be your turn. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for entering. And I'm going to have another video, transformation video, on Friday. So stay tuned. Okay, bye bye.